It's me, Jane. Thanks for watching Bread for Kids. Let's learn, play, and create with each other. Yeah. It's me and Weston. Let's play together.
Hi, it's me, Jeremy. And that's right, we like to draw, create, paint, and play together. We also have Busy the Invisible, real dinosaurs, and a crazy cowboy named Rooster.
We're going to have so much fun. Enjoy the show. Hi, Breadies.
Hi, Breadies. We haven't done a drawing forever. We were wondering, what should we do? And Weston wanted to draw a
Watermelon.
watermelon. It's his favorite fruit. So he thought, maybe we'll do a cute watermelon and we'll teach you guys how to draw it. So he's gonna eat a watermelon first because that's what he's hyped about today. So these are really good. Ooh, juicy.
Yeah.
And what? Did it make you burp?
Yeah.
Oh, crazy. All right, eat a watermelon. Ooh, that was a big one. All right, while he's chomping on that, we're gonna actually show you guys a trailer to our new YouTube channel. What's it called? The Bread Kids.
Yeah.
We'll put a link below, so click that link to go check it out. I think you guys are really gonna like it. I'm not even gonna try to introduce it because it's just such a crazy show. I think there's a magical cowboy. I think there's real dinosaurs. And even a spooky guy. What's the spooky guy's name? Busy the Invisible. That's right, he's invisible. So check out this trailer. We'll be right back after this.
Breadies, are you ready for the adventure of a lifetime? Something strange is happening every single minute. Objects are floating. Weird spooky sounds. Shadows dancing. We need your help to uncover the treasure and outsmart Busy! Watch out for Busy's tricks, but don't worry. Rooster's always here to save the day!
For more fun videos, Breadies, just go search our new channel, The Bread Kids. See you there. And we're back. I hope you enjoyed that trailer. We worked really hard on making that super fun video for you guys. And I know you'll love the story that is involved in that. It's really fun. Jane and Weston and Will and Hank came up with it. So check that out. Let's get into this drawing. You need a marker or something to draw with, crayon, pencil, whatever you got at home.
And a piece of paper.
That's right, and a piece of paper. So let's get started on our super cute watermelon. Woo-hoo.
My name is Fresh. Hello. Let's go.
All right, Breadies. First step, a line. Ready, Wes? Get your marker and go.
Don't forget the mark.
All right, do your line, or I'm gonna do it for you.
Okay.
Breadies want to draw. Do your line.
Chair is blocking.
Is it? All right, scoot over. What's your marker? You got a marker in your hand.
Scoot, 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 scoot.
The Breadies are waiting, dude.
Okay.
Nice. All right, next one. Breadies, a simple happy face line. Go down.
This is easy.
To the middle.
I already did
You
mine.
can stop if you want. Good job, buddy. And then down and connect.
I'm making yellow
To
watermelon.
that line.
Some watermelon is yellow, right, Dad? I
That's
learned it in
right,
Blippi.
All right. Oh, shout out to Blimpy. One day we'll be like you, Blimpy. All right, they want to see your drawing. Okay, super easy, Breddies. You got that done? All right, now we're gonna just simply do another line just like this one, but right next to it. Ready? Try to keep the same width all the way. Do you know what width means, Wes?
Yeah.
Try to keep it just at that same curve as the bottom line. It doesn't need to be perfect. We're just getting practice. All right, that's looking good, Weston. Good job. Take it over, Breddies, and connect. Woohoo! All right, I'm gonna do another one. Weston's having fun. I'm gonna do another little line for the white to divide the green and the red. So just a little line. Watch this, Breddies. You wanna do a little skinny line. You see that width there, Breddies? You see that? Just a little skinny line.
We don't have to color it in since it's supposed to be
Yeah, we're gonna leave that white. Same thing, Breddies, on the other side. Super easy.
What?
Whoop. And then same thing.
Would this be crazy?
We wanna-
If the world was just a big white, if the world was just a big white circle,
Yep.
and there would be nothing except the color white.
Oh, that'd be crazy.
And the only thing that people would know would
Yep.
would be white.
All right, Breddies. Now our favorite part, the eyes and the face. So I'm gonna do big round circles. I'm gonna do one way over here and way over here. Weston, what are you gonna do with yours?
I'm gonna do one.
Simple big circle. And again, simple big circle. Oh, that looks cool.
I learned that from
Oh,
my
you already
dad.
did the inline. All right, so we like to do another big circle on the inside and a little circle there to make it look like a real alive eyeball. And then we color that part in black. Just like that, Breddies. And
Do you know, I got a fact.
what?
When you close your eyes,
Uh-huh.
you only see black because it's your eyelashes.
Oh, you mean your eyelid?
Yeah, your eyelid.
Same thing
You're
on the
looking
other
at
side.
your eyelid.
True. And then, Breddies, we're practicing, and remember, we'll tighten these lines up and make this look really good.
That's for the
right.
smiley face.
What are we gonna do for a smiley face? What are you gonna do? A tongue, just a smile. I'm gonna do this one. Watch this, Breddies. This is a fun one. You do a straight line up top for the top of the mouth, and then you do a long curve. So easy to make a really cute mouth. And then another curve for the tongue. And then we color it in. Super simple and fun, Breddies. I love doing these fun ones. Just feels relaxing and fun to just draw. All right, Breddies, we're almost done. Weston, that looks so good. But I wanna do some
What?
watermelon seeds.
Not me.
You're not gonna do any? All right, Breddies, I'll show you how to do a watermelon seed. It's kind of like a teardrop, and you can do it at different angles. So I'm just gonna go down and around, down and around, like that. And then we just color it in black. And then maybe I'll do one over here. Down and around, colored in black. That's so cute. And I'll do one more right here. And, Breddies, we're done. We're gonna add some details on the colors. We're gonna tighten up these lines, make them look a little stronger and sharp. What did you do? You added a bunny ears?
Because it's almost Easter.
Oh, that is right. Wow, that's smart. Should we do a, maybe you're onto something. Should we do bunny ears?
And an Easter egg. I'm gonna make a little cracked one
You know
right
what?
here.
I like Weston's idea. You know how you guys wear those funny, fluffy bunny ears? Let's do
And there's a little
those.
cracked one.
let's do those on our watermelon
And
for
some
Easter.
grass.
Just go up and around. Take a little space over, breadies,
Let's
and
make
do the
this
same thing.
sky.
Up and around and back.
I made a lot of special details.
So that's really good. And then breadies, to make it look like fur, all you gotta do is like these little squiggly like point lines, and that kind of represents fur. So connect your two ears.
There we go.
And then so easy.
See,
do
Dad,
the
see
inside.
this thing on top? That's the headband part
Oh
that you stick on your
yeah,
head.
Weston is so creative. I love it. Same thing. Bring it down. Boop. We'll do the same thing. Go to a point like that, breadies, and then bring it down.
You can also do what I did. I did some grass,
Bring it
a
down.
sky with a cloud, a little
Yeah.
an Easter egg, a crab
Fun
Easter egg.
details. And then breadies, guess what? Like Weston did, our bunny ears usually have those little like things we wear on our head. So we'll just do that. Super simple. We'll do a line, and then we'll just go down like some furry lines, and then bring it over. And then same thing over here, breadies. Come down. Some furry lines, and then match the line over. Bring
I
it
already
over.
did some furry lines.
And we're all done. That looks so good. All right, breadies, our favorite part. Let's color. And we'll show you the
Mine's
finished version at the end. All right,
mine's
buddy.
gonna be.
Three, two,
One.
one. Check it out, dude. Wow. Weston had the best idea to make it a Easter bunny watermelon, which is crazy because we didn't plan that at all. He went with it. I was shocked and amazed, and then I did it too because it looked so good. So it's a super cute watermelon Easter bunny. We hope you guys had fun. Go check out that link below, the Bread Kids, to watch those spooky adventures. Hey, Will. Will came in the studio. What up, Will? All right, so go watch that. Brett, it's called The Bread Kids. We'll see you later. Bye. Say bye. Oh, you say bye, Will?
Bye.
Bye. Don't say it.
You moved my chair.
Oh, is that what you did?
And
All right, good job, Weston. High five.
what was that?
You like our watermelon?
What was that?
Thanks for watching, breadies. If you had fun doing that watermelon, we also want you to go do our unicorn. That was one of our top viewed ones. Got 50,000 views, 52,000 views. Go check that one out. How to draw a Christmas unicorn. We'll see you soon. Say bye, Will.